Hello Python enthusiasts! Welcome back to the 100 Days of Python series. Today is a special day because it's day 50, and we're diving into the fascinating world of deep learning. We'll explore what deep learning is, the components of neural networks, and even build a basic neural network using Keras. Let's get started. So, what exactly is deep learning? In simple terms, deep learning is a subset of machine learning that uses neural networks with many layers, hence the term deep, to model and solve complex problems. Traditional machine learning models rely on manual feature extraction and selection. Deep learning, on the other hand, automatically discovers representations from data, making it incredibly powerful for tasks like image recognition, natural language processing, and more. At the heart of deep learning are neural networks. These are inspired by the human brain and consist of layers of interconnected nodes or neurons. Let's break down the main components. Input layer. This is where the data enters the network. Hidden layers. These layers perform computations and extract features from the data. Output layer. This layer produces the final prediction or output. Each connection between neurons has a weight, which is adjusted during training to minimize the error in predictions. Now, let's get hands-on and build a simple neural network using Keras, a high-level deep learning library in Python. We'll create a neural network to classify handwritten digits from the famous MNIST dataset. First, let's install and import the necessary libraries. And there you have it! We've built a basic neural network that achieves over 97% accuracy on the MNIST test set. That's the power of deep learning. That's a wrap for day 50 of our 100 Days of Python series. Today, we introduced you to deep learning, explored neural networks, and built a simple model using Keras. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay updated with our daily Python tutorials. Keep coding and happy learning!